How to add a screen time widget on your home screen. And this is for your Google Pixel phone, Android 16, or any other Android 16 smartphones will have this screen time widget. I'll show you how to add it, how to increase the size of it, and also how to remove it. The screen time widget comes pre-installed in your Android devices, so no need for installing anything. So go ahead and long press a blank area on your home screen to get access to the home settings like this here. This in particular is a Pixel phone. For some of us, the home settings may appear to the bottom area, and you will look for widgets right there. Now, when you tap on widgets, for some of us, we may need to go into the browse section here. So go to browse and you will see all the different types of widgets found on your smartphone itself. For the screen time, you're going to look for digital well-being, which is this one right here. You'll tap on the arrow here to give you a view of all the app widgets available. And a single tap in this case will allow you to add it. You'll see the add. And go ahead and do that. And it's going to load up like this here. If it appears in a part where you don't want it to be, let's say you want it in another home screen page, hold it down and then drag it over to the next page like this here. And once you release it, it's going to appear like this here. Now let's just say that you wanted to increase the size of it and you want to see more of it. So long press it and then you can pull it down some more and it gives you a better view of things that you might have not seen earlier on, all right? Now the good thing about this here is that it gives you an idea of how much time you spent on a app and how long you have been on your screen or have your phone on browsing and all that stuff here. So if you've been looking for this here, that's how you go about doing it. If you want to remove it, long press it and you'll see the remove option and you're good to go, like and sub.